Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. This short financial basics video provides a foundation in investing. When it comes to investing, many first-time investors want to jump right in with both feet. Unfortunately, very few of those investors are successful. Investing in anything requires some degree of skill. It is important to remember that few investments are a sure thing. There is the risk of losing your money. Before you jump right in, it is better to not only find out more about investing and how it all works, but also to determine what your goals are. What do you hope to achieve with your investments? Will you be funding a college education, buying a home, retiring? Before you invest a single penny, really think about what you hope to achieve with that investment. Knowing what your goal is will help you make smarter investment decisions along the way. Too often, people invest money with dreams of becoming rich overnight. This is possible, but it is also rare. It is usually a very bad idea to start investing with hopes of becoming rich overnight. It is safer to invest your money in such a way that it will grow slowly over time and be used for retirement or a child's education. However, if your investment goal is to get rich quick, you should learn as much about high-yield, short-term investing as you possibly can before you invest. You should strongly consider talking to a financial planner before making any investments. Your financial planner can help you determine what type of investing you must do to reach the financial goals that you have set. He or she can give you realistic information as to what kind of returns you can expect and how long it will take to reach your specific goals. Again, remember that investing requires more than calling a broker and telling them that you want to buy stocks or bonds. It takes a certain amount of research and knowledge about the market if you hope to invest successfully. If you're interested in investing, check out our other videos specifically on investing that dive deeper into the subject. I hope this video has helped add value to your life. Please share your thoughts below in the comments. Please comment below. Your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.